Right now on the radar, rain has moved through. We've got rain and thunderstorms lighting up the skies to our eastern counties. You can see over the last half hour or so, rain moving quickly over toward West Union and Peebles and into Maysville. So our easternmost communities still dealing with decent downpours, a little bit of lightning with that as well. So that's pushing quickly off to the east, and things are kind of drying out into the 275 loop. So let's zoom on in here to Adams County. You can see here's Peebles to West Union, Manchester getting poured on right now. Same thing over towards Stout. Go back a little bit further here into portions of Kentucky, and things are starting to look a little better into portions of Bracken County. Augusta kind of drying out. There's still some lingering showers there. Rolling a little further up in along Route 68 north of Mount Orab up toward Wilmington. It's kind of the back edge of any sort of steady rain making its way into Clinton County right now, and then some spotty showers back into the 275 loop. Generally drying out around the highway, but over in Claremont County, a couple of light showers, Amelia to Batavia. Those are all moving to the east. We are not done with the rain. I think around lunchtime, we'll get another little push of rain showers. And at any point you head out now to about noon, there'll be the chance for some rain. But the snow, you can see that's back towards Chicago. Chicago to Fort Wayne getting hit much harder as far as snowfall goes, but the colder air is wrapping in on the backside of this low. And it's that push that will arrive tonight after the sun goes down in through Monday morning that'll see the transition for us from rain to some snow showers. So let's take a look at it hour by hour here on the Futurecast. Early this morning, that initial push of rain kind of getting out of here to the east. But I think around lunchtime or so, we'll see another batch of showers. So your midday plans today, a cold rain, a little bit of a breeze. We're probably still, mid 40s at noon. As we get into the evening hours, you'll notice as the colder air pushes in and the sun goes down, all that kind of happens at the same time. So right in that 5 o'clock hour, I think we start to see that mix of rain and snow transitioning over to snow showers after about 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. We've basically transitioned over to snow, so it will be snowing in the pre-dawn hours tomorrow. It has been warm recently, so in general, a lot of this is going to melt as soon as it hits the pavement. The pavement's holding on to that warm air a little bit longer, but it's going to start to stick to the grass, stick to the car, stick to the roof. And I also think at times tomorrow morning, it could come down at a quick enough clip that it does coat even the pavement. So watch the rain surfaces first, but also know that you've got leaves covering the road, and then you'll have a coating of snow on top of that. So this is during the morning rush or just after on Monday morning. Snow showers drifting in from north to south up through about lunchtime today. So this is going to be kind of a weird one to measure, right? Because a lot of it's going to melt on the pavement, but you'll be able to measure it on the back deck or on the grass. So very, very confident that everybody gets a dusting out of this. Decent chance you end up with somewhere between 1 and 2 inches of snow on that back deck, and then anywhere 2 inches or more, probably not. But we're looking at dusting to an inch, inch and a half of snow is going to fall for us tomorrow in the morning. So here's the 12-hour forecast. Today, temperatures kind of hanging out around 46 degrees here early. We get those midday rain showers, and then our temperatures fall off into the 30s. That transition from rain to snow happens this evening as the sun goes down. So here's your 7-day forecast for tomorrow. 27 degrees in the morning, but it's going to feel like the teens through lunchtime. So you've got snow and some cold air that we haven't felt in a couple of months here. By Veterans Day, kind of same thing. The snow's gone, but the cold will remain. So keep that in mind if you're heading to any ceremonies on Tuesday for Veterans Day.
Randy, thank you. The Mega Millions